Sure, here's a well-structured YouTube video article script for a 2025 Honda ADV 160 bike review, optimized to engage viewers and provide valuable information. Intro. 0-100 to 0-20. Background music playing. On-screen text. 2025 Honda ADV 160 review, Urban Beast meets off-road adventure. Host on camera. Welcome back, riders. Today, we're diving deep into the latest 2025 Honda ADV 160, a scooter that blends adventure styling with city-smart features. If you're looking for a ride that's built for both urban commutes and weekend escapades, stick around. Segment 1. Design and build 0-20 to 120. Voiceover with shots of the bike. The 2025 ADV 160 keeps its rugged adventure scooter look, but Honda's made a few smart tweaks. From the muscular front fascia and high-mounted LED headlamp, to its windscreen that's now more aerodynamic and adjustable, the design screams sporty sophistication. Plus, with new matte color options and bolder graphics, it looks better than ever. On-screen shots. Close-up of body panels, digital cluster, tires, and LED lights. Segment 2. Engine and performance 120 to 220. Voiceover. Under the seat, the ADV 160 packs a 156.9cc Especially Plus engine, now tuned for better mid-range torque and smoother acceleration. It pushes out around 16 HP and offers excellent fuel economy, perfect for both city zipping and open roads. On-screen text. 156.9cc, 4-stroke Especially Plus, approximately 45 to 50 km/h. Host riding. What really impressed me? The refinement. It's super smooth, even at higher speeds. Plus, the V-Motage transmission ensures seamless power delivery. Segment 3. Ride and comfort 220 to 310. Voiceover. With a seat height of 780 mm, it's accessible for most riders. The suspension setup, telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, absorbs rough roads well, and it's surprisingly capable off the tarmac. On-screen shots. Rider going over bumps, trails, city streets. Host. Whether you're navigating potholes or gravel paths, the ADV 160 handles it with ease. And the upright riding posture makes long rides comfortable. Segment 4. Features and tech 3:10 to 4 o'clock. Voiceover. The 2025 ADV 160 comes packed with modern features. Full digital LCD instrument cluster. Honda Smart Key System. USB charging port under the seat. Combined braking system, CBS, or ABS depending on the variant. On-screen text highlights each feature with clips. Host. One standout is the updated digital display. It's brighter and easier to read under sunlight. And yes, there's ample underseat storage for your helmet and gear. Segment 5. Pros, cons and verdict 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Host on camera. So, should you get one? Let's break it down. Pros. Stylish adventure design. Refined, fuel-efficient engine. Comfortable ergonomics. Tech loaded for daily use. Cons. Slightly higher price than typical scooters. Not a full-fledged off-roader, more of a soft adventurer. Conclusion. If you're after a versatile, reliable, and cool-looking scooter that can handle city traffic and occasional trails, the 2025 Honda ADV 160 is a top pick. Honda's nailed the formula once again. Outro 5 o'clock to 5:20. Host. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest two-wheeler reviews. Got questions or want a comparison with other scooters? Drop them in the comments. End screen with music and channel logo. Would you like a voiceover script version or subtitles formatted separately?